Hello friends! In this video, we intend to teach you how to work with the Switch MarketsBroker Dashboard. At the top of the page, by clicking on your profile, you enter the profile section where you can view information about your account and to change information such as password, email, etc. You can click on Change. And by entering your current password and the new password and repeating the new password, you can change your password, and also in sections like mobile phone number, email, etc. And to enable the two-factor authentication and option, you can click on this option. And by selecting the desired carrier system and clicking on Enable two-factor authentication, you can scan this code or enter this code to activate the authentication. In this section, you can see that our account is verified and we have made a video tutorial about verification for you. And also by clicking on this option, you can change the language of your account. And in the messages section, you can organize your messages by subject, from, and date. You can also manually select the date. To extract information, you can click on Export to CSV and download the documents. In this section, by clicking, you will log out of your account, and in this section, to open an account like Demo or Live, you can click on this option, and by selecting information such as your platform, leverage, currency, and balance, and clicking on Continue. And again, on Continue, you will see that the demo account has been added for us, and in the Deposit Funds section, you will enter the deposit section. By selecting your account and your payment type and clicking on Continue, you can start depositing. We will soon create a video about depositing for you. At the bottom, you can see information about your various accounts, such as live and demo accounts. You have access to the View and Deposit sections. In the View section, you can change your account information, such as the password, investor password, etc. Additionally, in this section, you can see information like balance, credit, equity, and floating. By clicking on Deposit, you enter the Deposit section. Additionally, in the Internal Transfer section, by selecting your account and the destination account, you can transfer the amount within your account to these internal accounts. Also, in the Trading History section, you enter your Trading History section, whereby entering information such as ticket, symbol, type, lots, etc. You can click on Calculate Totals and view the information, which will be displayed for you after activity on the website in the Open Live Account section. You enter the Live Account Registration section, where information related to this is provided to you. And in the Account Overview section, you gain access, to your accounts, such as Live and Demo. In the Funds section, you enter the Deposit Funds sections, as well as Withdraw Funds, and a video regarding withdrawals will be made for you soon. And also in the Transfer Funds section, as you have been taught, you can transfer amounts within your internal accounts. And in the Transactions History section, you enter the Transaction History section, which is divided into pending transactions and pending transfer categories. By entering information such as ID, type, status, etc., you can export your transaction history. In the Payment Details section, you can upload information about your payment method and your documents. In this section, you can select the type of payment such as crypto, wallet, etc., as well as the type of cryptocurrency, the name of the wallet, and the wallet address. By dragging the desired file into this section and clicking Submit, you register the documents. In the Track Trader section, by clicking on Add a new account and entering information such as your platform, account number, investor password, and server name, you can click on Start Monitoring and follow the desired trader. In the Profile section, as we have taught you, you enter the Profile section, and also in the Upload Documents section, you proceed to verify your account. We have made a video about verifying your account in Switch Markets for you. In the My Agreements section, you enter the relevant part of the website, where by clicking on the desired documents, such as terms and conditions or bonus agreement, you can view the information, and also you enter the Messages section, where we have provided you with information about this, and in the two-factor authentication section. In the Download section, you should enter the Platform section, where by selecting the desired operating system and clicking on Download, you can download the desired platform. And also this section is divided into categories of All, Trading Platform, and Plugins, and in the Economic Calendar section, you should enter the Download section. You enter the Economic Calendar, where by clicking in this section, you can divide the desired date, such as the current week, the previous week, etc. And in this section, you can see the current time. And by clicking in this section, you can also change the desired time. Additionally, in the Request IP section, by entering information such as region business and the desired width and amount, you confirm the website's rules, and by clicking on Continue, you submit a request for the IB. Also, at the top, by clicking on this option, you can minimize your menu and to contact the broker's support. At Switch Markets, you click on this option, which is divided into live chat in this section, as well as a section like FAQ, where by selecting the desired frequently asked question, you can receive the desired answer. Friends, this was the tutorial on how to work with the Switch Markets Broker. Good luck.